You ever just like wake up one morning and you're like, damn, you know what I could do today? I could go on like a 4-day road trip and just ignore all my schoolwork. No, I wouldn't do that. That would be irresponsible. You're right. That's exactly what I'm gonna do.
In the morning by the sea, as the fog clears from the sand, I have no money in my hand, have no home, I have no land, but it doesn't trouble me.
Go fast. See, that was perfect. That was perfect.
Beside the fire, I am easy to inspire.
I've been slacklining for. Dude,
My favorite, like a little lighter.
Yeah. Have you like seen this before? Like have been like. I've seen the videos. Okay, gotcha.
I just wanna see the light. Even if it makes me blind, I just wanna see the light. Breathe in, leave it all behind. I just wanna see the light. Even if it